Let me introduce you our energy-saving and eco-friendly powder coating system. It's designed with several key components: a large cyclone, secondary recovery system, powder coating booth, electrostatic spraying gun, lifter, and a powder supply center. The powder booth is made of sandwich PP engineered plastic board, making it easy to change color, clean up, and recover powder efficiently. Anna-Zhyao has 29 years of experience in developing and manufacturing automatic spraying lines. With advanced technology and over 2,000 successful cases, here is what makes our systems stand out. The lifter has a strong load capacity, supporting multiple spraying guns, which can be positioned horizontally or vertically. It's precise, reliable, and designed to handle with heavy-duty production. The conveyor chain speed adjusts automatically to match the movement of the lifter, ensure you always get good spraying results. The spraying gun pass and transfer speed can be adjusted continuously and precisely according to the shape of the workpiece being sprayed. Need a quick color change? No problem. Our system lets you change color within 5 to 15 minutes. After the automatic cleaning process, simply place a new powder box and you are ready to go. Besides, with a powder recovery rate up to 99.2%, there is no powder spillover to workshop. The combination of a high-efficiency cyclone and a secondary recovery system ensures that the powder is recycled without pollution, reducing waste. The bottom of the spraying booth is equipped with rotated plates and a pulse airflow. It can automatically clean and recover powder. If you are looking for high-performance and eco-friendly powder coating system, don't hesitate to reach out. Anna-Zhyao is here to offer you custom solutions with excellent service.